Upma, filling food, moderate digestion, but high carbs. So 7 on 10 if you add lots of veggies.
డబ్బాలో ఏంటి?
ఉప్మా.
Pongal, again comfort food, good for digestion, especially illness and bloating ఉన్నప్పుడు 8 on 10. Pesarattu,
పెసరట్టు.
high protein, keeps you full, but sensitive stomachs ki koncham digestion custom. Overall 9.5 out of 10, but less oil and less ghee.
ఉత్తప్పం,
Vegetables ఎక్కువ యాడ్ చేస్తే good source of protein plus fiber. 8 on 10. Puri, quick energy, tasty, but loaded with calories. So occasional గా okay. 5 on 10.
కావాలంటే నీకు ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుందంటే వెళ్ళిపోతారా ఇడికెచ్చి.
Idli, fermented food, easy on digestion, low oil. So when paired with protein rich sources like sambar, 10 on 10. Dosa, fermented again, crispy, good carbs, but slightly digestion problem ఉంటుంది కొందరు, but still 9 on 10. Vada, again good source of protein, but deep fried in oil, so 6 on 10. All of more healthy updates.